Welcome. In front of me is OPPO A5m, and in this video I will show you how to fix the problem when your fingerprint scanner doesn't recognize your fingerprint. So first thing you have to do is open settings and of course set up a new fingerprint for your device. So go to security and privacy. Here select device unlock, go to fingerprint and face unlock, select fingerprint, then draw the lock screen pattern, and if you have any previous fingerprints set up on your device, then remove them. Then before adding a new fingerprint, let's use a dry towel to wipe the surface of the scanner so that we know for sure that it reads our fingerprints clearly. Okay, let's unlock the phone. Okay, and start adding a new fingerprint by pressing this button right here. Enroll finger edges. Okay, and then click done. And now, before we continue, let's go back to settings and check if the phone is up to date, just to keep our software and hardware in touch. So go back to settings, then select system and update, then go to software update and check if you have any updates to install. And if you do have any, then take your time and download and install them. And just before we proceed, let's restart the phone. So press and hold power button and volume up key at the same time, then slide to restart, and then just wait until the phone reboots. Okay, now that the phone is rebooted, let's unlock it, and then let's try to use our fingerprint to do the same thing. Okay, as you can see, everything works smoothly for me, and I hope it does for you too. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.